Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Let's solve one question from GET Biotechnology examination. Disaccharide molecules that contain beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage are, the options are sucrose and maltose, sucrose and isomaltose, maltose and isomaltose, or it is a lactose and cellobiose. So let's see structures of these disaccharide to find the answer. Discussing each disaccharide given in a question. So first one is a sucrose. Sucrose is a table sugar. It is formed by the plants. The structure of sucrose is like this. It is made up of glucose and fructose. So this is a fructose and this is a structure of glucose. These are joined with each other with a alpha 1 beta 2 beta bond. So the first carbon of the glucose is combined with the second carbon present in a fructose. So this forms the structure of sucrose. This is a non-reducing sugar. This is the sugar which is formed in a leaves. This is an intermediate product in photosynthesis formed in the leaves, and then it is transported from the leaves to other parts of the plants. Yes, the second disaccharide is a maltose. This is made up of two D-glucose units. These two glucose units are joined with each other with a alpha 1,4 linkage. The first carbon of one sugar and fourth carbon of the another sugar are condensed to form the structure of maltose. This is a reducing sugar and this is found in high amount in seeds. So during sprouting, the energy is formed from the utilization of maltose. The next disaccharide is a isomaltose. This is also a disaccharide made up of two glucose units, just like a maltose. But there is difference in a glycosidic linkage. In case of maltose, it is having alpha 1,4 linkage. In case of isomaltose, it is having alpha 1,6 linkage. This is the product when maltose syrup is treated with enzyme transglucosidase. We get isomaltose. So the linkage get changed here. Alpha 1,6 linkage is formed between two glucose units. This is again a reducing sugar just like a maltose. The next is a lactose. This is a sugar made up of glucose and galactose. This is reducing sugar, and the bond in between glucose and galactose here is beta 1,4 glycosidic bond, which is asked in a question. This is the sugar found only in milk. Moving further to cellobiose. This is a disaccharide made up of two glucose units. Here the linkage is beta 1,4. Remember that in case of lactose, there were condensation between glucose and galactose. And galactose and glucose are C4 epimers of each other. Actually, the galactose is C4 epimer of glucose, we can say. So, here the linkage in case of lactose and cellobiose is same, that is a beta 1,4, but the monosaccharides used in case of lactose is glucose and galactose, whereas in case of cellobiose it is a glucose and glucose. So with this we will say that disaccharide molecules that contain beta 1,4 linkage or beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage are lactose and cellobiose. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Here I have concluded with today's video. I will be there with more videos having solved questions from GATE examination. So keep watching my videos. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.